Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this video is a little different. Somehow or another, I lost the intro to this video. I filmed the intro at the dyno day and somehow I lost it. I don't know how, but as you can see, we're obviously in my garage. I'm leaning up on my car right now. Today, we stopped by Mtech Performance and AGautosports. They're having an open house collaboration dyno day. It is the first annual dyno day for the two of them. So here's a little bit of footage. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure and please like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure and go check their pages out, check their websites out, show them some support, and enjoy the show. There'll actually be a full video coming on this one. It's been sitting for a few years, but it's now getting a motor back in it. That's a new shop car. As always, make sure and give them a shout out, guys. Go check them out. They do great work. They're awesome. How much did I make? $716 horsepower, 730 foot-pounds of torque. Look at that, 700 and 700. 700 plus foot-pounds of torque, 700 plus horsepower. Great numbers, guys. Great numbers. Upgraded turbos on methanol and on race gas. So there you go. That's what it takes to make 700 plus horsepower, 700 plus foot-pounds of torque in a Mercedes GTS. This interior though, guys, oh my lord. Race gas makes a huge difference. So while they take a dyno break really quick, I'm gonna run to the gas station and grab a couple things, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, Mustang time. Make sure I follow him. Oh, it's automatic tension. Oh, Lord. I was wondering. What was it? Huh? I don't know. What did he say? Car needs to be properly tuned.
Yeah, I need to talk to them about that.
Mr. RB himself. Lineup changed since this morning. So this 65 is not like any other 65, bro. Look at this. horsepower, 610 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad. We'll let it cool down and make another pass and it cools down. Not bad though. Recording? I started as soon as you walked up. 565 horsepower that time, no torque reading, guys.
Same wheelbase? Huh?
No. Time to sign his life away. Extra tight. It's funny, I was like, Bruce, they don't come with 305s, right? He's like, no, they're coming like 285s. I'm like, I can tell. I'm like, they're sticking out a lot. That looks good though. Looks good. Just got them yesterday.
I think it looks good the way it is.
I think it looks
it's
perfect.
It's gonna get dirty though. Yeah.
I think it looks.
I got bigger wheels. It's so dirty.
I think it looks perfect, and it serves a purpose at that. So yeah. I'm pretty sure it looks a hell of a lot better.
That's drive different.
That's pretty funny.
735 wheel torque.
608 horsepower, 735 wheel horsepower.
Like 30%, 20%,
20%, yeah.
But it's a certain way to add it. You can't do 608 times 1.2. Yeah. You have to. I forget the. Wait, I'm gonna look it up.
$581, $591, $591.
than 690?
The first one was
Yeah. Heat soak. Guys, so we're gonna close out this video really quick. It's over. Mtech Performance, AGautosports collaboration. Oh, look at that. That's on bags while I'm sitting here ending the video. Oh, there you go. That's how to close out the video. As always, make sure like, subscribe, comment, and thank you. Have a nice day. See you guys later.